Hi guys, si Ada is watching video namin. Nagwatch si Ada yung video namin.
Ayan, suyot, Papa. Ayan, suyot.
What is that?
Ayan, suyot ba?
I heard hair dryer man yan para sa hair.
Daddy?
Look at him. Come on, say hi. Come here. Bing. Hi. Nasa mga Barbie and toys. And then, nag-watch ako itong video, naghatagan ako siya og bike. Ayun, oh, nag-watch siya. Yun oh, si Papa, oh. Mm. Look at to. Dalibing. La. Eh?
Pasok.
Ano, pasok na daw. Ay,
Ay, si Ada.
ano, nag-close ang eyes ni Bibi Ada. Atik-atik. Atik-atik.
Ay, come here.
Atik-atik.
Ay, stand here, stand. 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 Dira siya.
Dre.
Stand. I have something for you.
Surprise!
Your new bike.
Happy naman yung birthday na binog. Regalo ni Papa,
Ay,
no?
happy day.
Ano ba?
Are you happy?
New bike.
Are you happy sa imong new bike?
Then,
Say yes.
Rose?
say,
Look at
are you
here.
happy?
Bibi.
What should
Say
you
yes.
say, Papa? Baby Ada, what should you say?
Oh, ano siya? Thank you,
Are you happy
Papa.
or not?
Ang bait talaga na yung Bibi Ada. Ay,
Are you happy?
ngayon, nag-play lang siya.
Oh, wow.
Bibi Ada, oh. Okay. Open, Mama.
Alam niya